You must have heard about shiny object syndrome. Yes, this is something different which I want to share with you. This is called shiny subject syndrome, SSS. And this applies to this coaching industry. All these coaches nowadays, they are a prey to this shiny subject syndrome. What does it mean? It means there are multiple subjects which are prevailing in this market, multiple ways of marketing, multiple subjects which you think can be helpful to you, multiple tools are there in the market to grow your business. Now tell me, how many tools do you want to learn? Is it your expertise? Okay, you can learn a few, fair, but you are not going to get into the details of all those things because maybe you'll learn one or two. But the perception is that if you miss on one, two, three, four, and so on and so forth, you'll be losing on your business. So, this particular syndrome has now been adopted by the coaches and they're trying to learn everything. Yes, somebody is teaching funnels, they'll go and maybe start learning there. Somebody is teaching ads, they'll go and learn ads. Somebody is teaching AI tools, they'll go and learn that. Somebody is teaching to build AI automations or AI flows, workflows, they'll go and learn that. Ultimately, the objective is what? To build your business, to scale your business. और देखा जाए तो फिर होता कुछ नहीं क्योंकि हम अपना समय इतनी जगहों पे बर्बाद कर देते हैं, ये सीख लूँ वो सीख लूँ और मास्टर किसी के नहीं होते हैं एंड अल्टीमेटली व्हाट बॉइल्स डाउन इज अगेन stuck at the same level. So I wanted to ask you, how much do you need to learn? Is there any limit to learning? No, not at all. हमारे शास्त्रों में भी कहा गया विद्या अर्थकरी होनी चाहिए. The learning should help you make money, right? So आप उतना सीखो जहां से पहले बिजनेस शुरू तो करो, वहां से सीखो जहां से पैसे आने तो शुरू हो जाएं. Then there are enormous ways to learn and there you have enough time. जिंदगी कम पड़ जाएगी, सीखना कम नहीं होगा. So my point is, how much should you learn, what you should learn, how you should learn, you need to be very specific about it. Don't fall prey to this shiny subject syndrome. Learn what is required for you today. If you are at step number 1, learn it fully. Go and learn step number 2 once you are done. Don't immediately jump to step number 50 or 100 just because somebody else is teaching or somebody else is doing it. No, that's the wrong perception. So if you want to come out from this shiny subject syndrome, you need to first assess where you are, accept your situation, and under the guidance of a mentor, understand what is going to be your next step. Don't fall prey to learning each and everything which is prevailing in the market. And if you want to learn more, do meet me, book a call with me. I'm there to help you out to understand what is going to be your next step. And I don't recommend using any tools unless and until it is required by you in your business at the prevailing conditions where you are. So we'll love to connect. See you. Bye-bye.